Not exactly. Well, all the Smurfs with whooping cough are cured. Ouch!
And the cure will keep the rest of us from catching it too.
Ouch!
We're all real proud of you, Clumsy. If you hadn't convinced that hopping crane to bring us one of its tail feathers, well,
Ouch!